Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. Apologise to everyone for lack of videos because there's been problems with Hornby and problems with basically where I'm living, and I've run out now of what I can review. So basically, I've been to the National Railway Museum in York. So you will see some pictures of that, what I saw, and plus the videos of the layout they had in display. Half the museum was closed for repairs, so I couldn't see everything. So this was really good to see. I enjoyed it. I spent quite a long time in there because I love trains. So basically, hopefully this explains why there's not been many videos, and hopefully you enjoy this video of what locos you can see in the National Railway Museum. And please do leave your comments below on the locos you have seen, and tell me what you think they are and what you think, and have a guess what speed one of them have broken the world record for steam locomotives, and it still holds it today. And that be a big shout out to you lot on the next video when I get round doing it. Thank you.
Está en lo que ha pasado.
Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.